Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. We should all be thinking about the critical manufacturing industries and the supply chains that support them. After the Trump tariffs went into effect, now China has blocked shipments to Boeing and also shipments of rare earths to the US. If that doesn't prove the importance of securing your end-to-end supply chain, I don't know what does. So we should be thinking about four key areas. One is the future, and that's AI computer chips. The good news there is that NVIDIA, for the first time ever, announced that they can produce an AI supercomputer fully in the US. That's great, but it's only a start. Number two is we need to be thinking about energy. Energy is required like no tomorrow to power AI, manufacturing, goods movement, etc. Number three is we need to be looking at rare earths, critical minerals, expanding our ability to get them and utilize them. And number four is active pharmaceutical ingredients, which is in essence a critical ingredient to creating pharmaceuticals. So we need to be thinking about our end-to-end supply chains. Are yours protected?